Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome aboard the Shan's Express. Alright, now as promised, I will show you guys how I make red velvet cupcakes. So you saw me do royal icing in my last video. So I'm just making something to go along with this royal icing. Alright, and please comment down below to let me know, or you can message me privately to let me know if you guys want to see how I make buttercream icing or even cream cheese frosting. Alright guys, now let's not dilly-dally. You know what to do. Give this video a thumbs up for me, drop a comment down below, share this video for me, and again, if you are not yet a subscriber, please subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notifications. Alright, let's jump into the video. So first we are going to start by sifting our dry ingredients together. I am using cake and pastry flour. You can definitely use all-purpose flour. And I'm using 1¼ cup flour. So please remember to check the description box for all the ingredients. Now I'm going to be adding some salt and baking soda to this, as well as some cocoa powder. Alright, so now we're gonna just combine the dry ingredients fully, and then we're gonna get started on the wet ingredients. So first we have some granulated sugar and some butter. We're going to use a mixer to mix those together. If you don't have a mixer and you are up for the task, you can definitely do this without the mixer. But trust me, it's going to be a lot of work, but it is not impossible. But I just stubborn and said, sheesh. Alright, so now we're gonna add 1 egg to this, and then we're gonna mix this again. Alright, so next we're going to be adding some vegetable oil, and then we are going to continue mixing. So I'm adding 1/2 cup vegetable oil to this. Now please remember to spray it down the sides of your bowl, guys. Want everything to be evenly combined in your batter, so you have to scrape down the edges. Alright, so next we are going to add some vanilla essence, as well as some white vinegar. And then we are going to add some buttermilk. Now, if you guys don't have any buttermilk, you don't know where to get buttermilk, you can drop a comment down below and I can upload a simple way for you to make buttermilk. It's really easy. Then we're going to mix again until everything is combined. Ooh, got really messy right there. Alrighty, now that's done, I'm just scraping down the edges of my bowl. Alright, and that's basically it for the wet ingredients. Alright, so now I'm going to be adding some of my dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, and then we're gonna mix until combined. Alright, so now I'm just going to add the wet ingredients to the remainder of my dry ingredients and just mix, right? Alright, now as usual, I will be scraping on the sides of my bowl, and then I will be adding some red food coloring to my batter. Now guys, if you have gel food coloring, it's best to use for this. However, I wasn't able to get gel food coloring, so I had to use what was readily available to me, which was some Benjamin's red food coloring. Now I just added 1 teaspoon here, however I did end up adding more because I wanted it to be a little bit darker, but it's your preference, guys. And my butter is complete, guys. And now I'm just adding my cupcake liners to my silicone molds. I will be making in total 12 of these red velvet cupcakes. And my paper them look kind of crush up, but you don't know me not watch no face, you know. So now I'm basically going to be adding the butter into these cupcake liners, and listen, I felt so dumb watching this because I am using the spoon to add the butter into the cupcake liners, and there are so many other things I could have used, guys. I could have used an icing bag to pipe them in. I could have used my ice cream scoop to add them in. But no, I wanted to make my work harder. I swear. Like, I don't know why I wasn't thinking. I don't know what's wrong with me. Maybe it's because I was really tired. That's the only explanation. That's the only explanation as to why I would do this to myself. So guys, just use what you're comfortable with when you're adding the batter in. Alright guys, there you have it, my beautiful cupcakes. I let mine stay an extra 5 minutes because I let my cupcakes dry. You definitely don't have to do that. So in my next video, I will show you guys how I added the royal icing to these bad boys. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for my next video.